Alright, hello guys, welcome to another video. So, hold on a second. Alright, let me see if I got clip on here. Okay, clips on. And look at this. Yeah, you can see I'm totally obsessed. Get off my mouse! Alright, anywho, you can tell I'm totally obsessed with these, doll divine thingies. So, anywho, today I'm doing a tutorial on how to make a puppy maker. So, first things first, you want to click this little puppy dog here. But whatever you do, do not click the rainbow question mark of doom, because this is what happens. Doom. Dun dun dun. Oh, that's cute. LOL. Hello. Anywho. Never click this either. Well, you actually can click this to change the breed, which is apparently all of this stuff. That's adorable. Okay, that's not adorable. I lied. Anyways, so you want to click this dog here. You want to click ears in order to change them. And if you want to change the fur up on here, the fur thingy hover over here. 1 second. So the fur over here is actually what that button is for. So this little inch of fur over here, maybe I should get that a little closer. There we go. There. And so I usually go for that, because really I don't like to really get fur on the face. That expression is adorable. These are honestly my favorite puppy eyes because they're so cute. They're the most cutest eyes ever. So click this to change the mouth position or the mouth thing. This just makes it look so cute. Anywho, pay attention to me. This here changes the fur on the body. See how it does that? Oh, my fur is blowing. My fur is blowing. Okay, anyways. Enough with messing around. This is usually what I go for. I don't really go for much detail. I don't want too much detail because way too much detail is way too much. Clicking this is, well, pointless because the hair just looks really bad on the dogs. This is just lighting and darkening thing. It's not really that useful, but people can use it if they'd like to. I'm the Australian Shepherd. How I love Australian Shepherds. Oh my god, that's perfect now. There we go. Yeah, okay, there we go. That's cute. Alright, we're gonna do that. Now that looks like an Australian Shepherd, I gotta say. There we go. Oh, that's cuter, but I'd rather go for that. Because I think more cuter. Anywho, click this here, does the lighting and darkening there. So that's pencil thingy bob. You want to click the paint to change the color, the paintbrush here to change the colors. So you can click any of these to change your eye color and stuff. So I'm going to go for more of light blue kind of color. And I'm gonna look for a nice shade of blues that would go with the creature, the animal breed. There we go. Okay. Yeah, it really tires my tongue to talk so much. That just tired my tongue even more. LOL. Oh, it's a wet puppy. It's so cute. Oh god, that's awesome. I already did one with that color and stuff. Got a notification that they kept it. Oh, of course, there we go. Okay. Seriously, let me type in this. I'm just in the mood to type this. Ah! That's what I typed in. It's not fashion show, it's casting call. Seriously, that was very necessary to type that. Swing here. Ugh. Swagtastic ain't your word, woman. Are you crazy? Hold on a second.
Hello guys, see
I'm gonna talk some sense to this girl. I'm gonna talk some sense. Bite me. There was two of them. What? Bite me. There's just a comment here. I swear.
Hello guys, see I here. Oh, and it's
Ugh. What the heck? Okay, anyways, let's get back to this. So I'm gonna do this. Oops. Oh, wrong one. Hello. Dirt. I'm gonna do this one. This one's so cute. Oh god, you can't barely. Oh my god, my mother would love this dog. She's like over obsessed with purple. Oh my god, I love red. Red's my like favorite color, but I don't really like red dogs because it doesn't look that good, really. Cause see, it doesn't really look too pleasant. Well, if I did this, it didn't look too pleasant either. Looks like he's got, you know what, on his fur. Anyway. Oh god, no. Just kidding. I actually do like pink, but no, I don't like pink that much. Pink is like so girly, but it's a really girly color. But I know I'm a girl, but I'm more of the tomboy type girl. Really. So yeah. So here, this is markings for your dog's face. And you can put any marking you would like. It's not my choice. Oh, it's my little puppy! My little puppy. My little puppy. Alright, and you can click that to clear. My little puppy. Sorry. So, what's all this stuff? This is accessories. So you can click that to do that. This is a different kind of kit maker. I'll do a tutorial on that later. Ah, that's such a lie. Liar. Bite me. Lost Stars smelled like chicken. Well, chicken is technically brown. So, yeah. Anyways, you can do that. You can choose to have the claws out, but I prefer like the claws in because the claws out doesn't look so cute, and This was basically made to make cute puppies. But you're free to make very scary puppies as well. But that won't be the best idea, but okay. Your choice. It's not my choice. Seriously. For any who's. These here are for the background. And I don't know which background. Seriously. I'm not doing this one because he's a I'm not doing that one because he's a weak dog. I'm not doing that one. That's lame. Let's put him in the sky since he has wings. And click show, and that will be your piece of art. Well, not piece of artwork, but piece of creation. And I'll show you the finished picture.